In this video, you'll learn about how AR is used in the marketing, learning, and gaming and entertainment industries. For marketing purposes, companies have figured out that AR can help increase user engagement, attention, and satisfaction. For example, a global furniture vendor uses AR to populate rooms, so customers can see how furniture will look in a space. Another example is a popular ticket exchange and resale company that recently used AR to heighten the customer experience for a major American sporting event. They provided a mobile app that allowed customers to see a 3D view of the stadium, seating options, parking garages, and concession stands. Another company in the sports realm that created interactive and personalized viewing experiences is Immersive.io. Sports fans can use their mobile device or smart glasses to see where Formula One drivers are in the race. Or they can check out the lung-burning climbs and thrilling descents in the Tour de France and see where their favorite riders are on the route. It's almost like you're on that Cat 5 climb, but with less pain in your legs. In the learning and education realm, AR has the potential to be huge. It can help enhance classroom experiences, teach new skills, inspire thinking and creativity, and get students excited about academics. Learner engagement and interest can skyrocket with the use of more immersive, interactive media. In schools, AR could be used to turn boring old textbooks into an experience kids are more likely to remember. For example, students in upper grades can truly engage with chemistry using an AR app, where suddenly it's more fun to learn about atomic weights and chemical reactions. In the professional education realm, HoloLens is a big one for NASA crew training and military training. This AR experience provides a safe training space for astronauts and military personnel to practice with their equipment and hone their skills. Enterprise AR apps, such as Tactile and TeamViewer, can help guide learning and processes. These are See What I See apps. For example, a power plant technician could use one of these apps on his iPad. He'd hold it up, see what's working and what's not, determine where adjustments need to be made, and then go and make the correct modifications. As for the entertainment world, developers have just begun scratching the surface with AR. AR can help build excitement, and it allows users to become more invested and part of the experience. A recent example is Coachellaverse. AR creators developed custom content for an AR experience built for the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival in the summer of 2022. From filters on Instagram, to an immersive AR navigational experience around the venue, to a guided AR adventure through the arts festival, to a unique AR music and fashion experience in Fortnite. Coachellaverse was a comprehensive, immersive entertainment experience featuring AR media. As you can see, AR can enhance user experiences across a variety of fields. The possibilities are endless.